How to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you found that the Face ID settings is grayed out on any iPhone, then here in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, take your accessibility settings. Open up the settings application from a device and then scroll down, tap on accessibility, and then scroll down and tap on Face ID and attention. And make sure all these options are enabled from here. Record attention for Face ID. I'm gonna enable this feature. Attention hour feature. And also haptics on successful authentication. You just need to enable all this feature, then get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on screen time, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction. First of all, enable the content privacy restriction, and from this page scroll down to the very bottom right here and he'll get to see and allow changes to passcode and Face ID. You just need to tap on this one, make sure it's selected with the allow, and then get back from here, scroll up and then turn off the content privacy restriction from here, then get back to your home page and restart your iPhone once. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone, and also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you get back, most likely your Face ID settings grayed out problem will be solved. But if in any case if you found that you're still having the problem, then this is the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application once again from a device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here to the general once again and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and go ahead and tap on reset all settings and then put your passcode and then tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.